Hi everyone. So today we're going to take a look at another great service you can get to through TADL.org, which is our LOTE Online World Languages Picture Books. To access LOTE Online, you can go to the Research tab, scroll down till you get to Educational Resources for All Ages, and we're going to go down here and we're going to pick LOTE Online for Kids. You click that. The interface will open up, and you can choose which language you're interested in looking at when it comes to picture books. So there's a lot of choices here. They add new ones every month. So you'll see some coming soon down here at the bottom. And then up above are all the choices that you have. So we will just pick one. We'll pick French. Click on it. And you can see a lot of the choices here. There's both English and French. You can choose how you wish to view the book. And you can just scroll down and you see all of these wonderful choices. So we'll go up and we'll pick Sleeping Beauty in French. So it brings up the book. And you can hit the play button and they will read it to you.
Il était une fois un bon roi et sa reine. Après plusieurs années, la reine eut une petite fille. Le roi et la reine étaient très heureux et aimaient la petite princesse.
So that's as simple as it is to listen to a lot of great stories in different languages of the world. And you can jump back and forth. They'll suggest similar choices off to the side. They suggest ages below the books. There's other activities over here. So there's a lot of wonderful things to help you with your language learning, whether it's coloring pages, word searches, and you can see they have more things planned to add there too. So this is a new service for us. We've only had it for a few months. So we hope that you love it and that you will enjoy exploring it with your family.